Predvsem mi je fenomen, da se na eni strani zelo veliko pogovarjamo o kulinariki, na drugi strani pa nimamo nobenega spoštovanja do tega.
The food industry is growing and developing, but with it also the food waste is growing and developing. This type of an event are to remind the people that over 1 billion people on this planet are going to sleep hungry.
The companies, they start saying we need to produce more to feed the needy. But it's not true. It's not about produce more. It's about fight the waste.
Cilj je, da zmanjšamo zavrženo hrano. Iz 72 kg, ki mislim, da je previsoka številka, moramo priti nižje.
Our goal here today is try to show our visitors, the restaurants, Slovenian, about the importance of that and how can we actually achieve that. Not only by words, but also by actions.
Vsi šefi slovenski smo podprli te stvari, preko 20 restauracij, gostiln.
Restore the soul of the people.
If we have something that is a bit out of date or rotten or something starts to go bad, it doesn't mean that we have to throw this.
Buy seasonal, buy the right amount of product you need in a refrigerator for a couple of 2-3 days.
Ni hudič, ko stojimo pred domačim hladilnikom ali pa predalom, da ne bomo pomislili, to bi lahko še porabil, to ne bom stran vrgel, dajmo najti neko recepturo.
Because 1.3 billion tons of food is wasted every year.
Feed everybody, throw nothing.
33% of the production that we do and we have is wasted. Is it acceptable? No, it's not.
And this thing should stop.
If you have this kind of practice, you feel much better also in your life.
Predvsem pa moramo hrani vrniti spoštovanje.